Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0761 refers to a specific issue identified as shift solenoid valve C stuck off in the Honda Accord models produced between 2012 and 2017. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a malfunction related to the shift solenoid valve C, which plays a critical role in controlling the hydraulic pressure for the automatic transmission system. The malfunction typically means that the solenoid is not responding correctly to signals from the powertrain control module PCM. The significant concern is that the solenoid fails to apply necessary pressure to the reverse inhibitor valve, affecting gear shifting and overall transmission performance. Acknowledging the symptoms and the behavior of the vehicle associated with this code is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. This code is especially relevant during automatic shifting scenarios, where delays or failures can lead to further mechanical issues. The components affected by DTC P0761 include the shift solenoid valve C and the reverse inhibitor valve. The shift solenoid valve C is installed on the transmission housing and is controlled directly by the powertrain control module, PCM, through on-off signals. Its primary role is to manage the hydraulic pressure necessary for operating the reverse inhibitor valve, which prevents the vehicle from accidentally shifting into reverse while moving forward. The reverse inhibitor valve, in turn, is critical for ensuring safe gear shifts and preventing misalignment of gears. In the case that the shift solenoid valve C does not activate correctly, the reverse inhibitor valve may not operate effectively, leading to difficulty in shifting gears. This malfunction is monitored by the PCM, which detects improper gear ratios that would signal a failure. The possible causes of DTC P0761 include a few key components that may be malfunctioning. The first potential cause is that the shift solenoid valve C itself is stuck in the off position, failing to respond to the PCM signals. This can occur due to wear, electrical failure, or mechanical blockage. Another relevant cause could be a failure within the reverse inhibitor valve, which would prevent the correct application of pressure necessary for shifting. Lastly, the shift fork shaft may be compromised, leading to a failure to engage the proper gear due to improper mechanical alignment. It is important to note that this list may not encompass all possible issues, but highlights the primary suspects in this situation. Guiding diagnostics. Symptoms related to DTC P0761 often manifest in various automatic transmission issues. Drivers may notice difficulty in shifting gears, especially into reverse, which may lead to unexpected delays or failures. An illuminated malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, is typically observed, along with a blinking automatic transmission, AT, gear position indicator, indicating a transmission concern. Additionally, when trying to shift, the vehicle might not respond as expected, leading to potential safety issues if the driver believes the vehicle is in a particular gear, but it actually is not. These symptoms reinforce the need to closely monitor the vehicle's shifting patterns and to conduct diagnostics if any irregularities are detected. For the first troubleshooting step related to DTC P0761, the process begins by starting the vehicle's engine. Once the engine is running, confirm that the brake pedal is pressed, which is a safety measure to prevent unintended movement. Next, shift the vehicle into the reverse position, R, and maintain this gear for at least 13 seconds. This step allows the system to engage the reverse gear properly, activating the relevant components, including the shift solenoid. Observing how the vehicle behaves during this duration provides crucial data for evaluating whether the issue is present. The calculated time ensures that any hydraulic pressure adjustments can fully engage and function as designed. The second troubleshooting step involves shifting the vehicle's transmission from reverse R directly to park, P. Following the initial observations in reverse, it is essential to analyze how the transmission responds during this gear change. Any abnormal reactions, such as difficulty shifting or unexpected sounds, should be noted carefully, as they provide critical insights into the transmission's operational state. After shifting, it is recommended to use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to retrieve any additional diagnostic information that can help pinpoint the issue. This system offers detailed readings that can reveal if the shift solenoid valve C or any other transmission-related components are not functioning correctly. Monitoring data during this step will aid in diagnostics and verifying any malfunctions. After addressing the concerns associated with DTC P0761, it is crucial to conduct a final verification of the repairs made. First, confirm that there are no active diagnostic trouble codes in the system, indicating that the previous issues have been resolved. If there are lingering codes, it is important to address them appropriately before proceeding. If everything appears to be in order, use the diagnostic tool to clear the DTCs and reset the vehicle systems. Following this, a test drive is an essential step to ensure the automatic transmission functions smoothly under varying conditions. This test drive allows for real-world verification that the repair has effectively addressed the issue and that no further abnormalities are apparent. To mitigate the reoccurrence of DTC P0761 and similar issues, preventive maintenance is imperative. Regular checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF levels, and conditions should be scheduled to ensure optimal transmission performance. Low or degraded fluid can influence the shift solenoid function and overall hydraulic pressure management. Additionally, routine inspections of electronic components linked to the transmission, such as connectors and circuit integrity, can identify potential issues before they escalate. Implementing a schedule of recommended maintenance, as outlined in the vehicle's owner manual, is crucial in maintaining reliable performance and preventing shifting-related anomalies in the future. In summary, DTC P0761 signifies a malfunction regarding the shift solenoid valve C in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Proper understanding of the roles each component plays in the transmission system is essential for effective diagnostics and repairs. Timely diagnosis can prevent broader transmission issues and ensure operational efficiency. Attention to symptoms like gear shifting problems and illumination of the MIL can prompt necessary action before further damage occurs. Finally, consistent preventive measures such as routine fluid checks and component inspections can significantly enhance vehicle reliability and performance, reducing the frequency of such issues arising. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.